Okay, so your steps for this is you need to find the gradient of the line it's parallel to. And to do that, sometimes you might need to rearrange it. So say it was that, you need to put it into gradient y-intercept form. So you change the sign, divide by 4. So you get y equals minus a half x plus a quarter. So see, you can get the gradient. So very often if it's parallel to another line, then you can find the gradient of that line, and the one that you want will have the same gradient. Then you need the point. So you got x1, y1, and then once you've got that, then you just put it all into this helpful little formula. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Okay, so to actually find the equation of the line that's parallel to this one and through that point, so first thing you need to do is get the gradient. So to get the gradient, you get 2x minus 5y plus 1 equals 0. Bring the 5y over, 2x plus 1 equals 5y. Divide by 5, and you end up with y equals 2x on 5 plus 1/5. So that means the gradient is 2/5, and you have a point which is x1, y1, 2/3. So y minus 3, because it's the y1, equals 2/5 x minus 2, which is the x1. Now this 5 here, because it's divided by 5, if you times it on the other side, it just makes for a nicer equation. You can put it into general form. So it's 5y minus 15 equals 2x minus 4. Bring everything to the one side to make it equal to 0. So 2x minus 5y minus 4 plus 15 is plus 11, and it'll equal 0. Okay, parallel to the line that makes an angle of 45 degrees. So that didn't work. I need to put a tan in there. So you go tan of 45 degrees is 1. So we've got gradient, we have point. We sub it into equation. This is x1, y1. So it's y minus 1 equals 1, x minus 1. So y plus 1 equals x minus 1. Bring it to the one side to put it into general form. So x minus y equals minus 1 minus 1, which is 2. So x minus y minus 2 is 0. Okay, and finally this one. So 2y is minus 5x plus 1, just moving everything to the other side. Divide by 2, y equals minus 5x on 2 plus a half. So the gradient is minus 5 on 2. The point is 4, 0, because that's the x-intercept. So it's y minus 0 equals minus 5 on 2, x minus 4. 2y, because if you times the 2 up there, that's divided by 2. 2y equals minus 5x plus 20. And then bring it over. 5x plus 2y minus 20 equals 0. Just to make sure that you do properly understand this, so that would mean y is minus 5x on 2x minus 4. You could just expand the bracket, but it's much nicer just to get rid of the fraction and put it into general form. So you get 2y equals minus 5x minus 4, then expand the bracket. 2y is minus 5x plus 20, a minus times a minus a plus, and then bring it to the other side to make it equal to 0.